Hey guys, I'm deep in thought here. It's been a long road actually, and this cabinetry that we're talking about right now was one of our very first products about 6 years ago at Roost Vans. And that's what we're talking about in this video. So this is a flat pack upper cabinet solution made out of 3-ply bamboo, and which, by the way, bamboo is harder than oak. It installs super fast, shipped anywhere in the world now. We're shipping internationally. Flat pack and ready to install into our upper mounting system. 24-inch upper cabinet is a little bit smaller by design than typical soft bags are that can be really pretty large and overwhelming. And the reason for that design is if you look long ways down this vehicle right now, I have really quite a bit of nice overhead room that's not claustrophobic at all. And there's still, as you can see, a tremendous amount of storage. You have an adjustable shelf that gives you a lot of opportunity to fine-tune exactly what you want to store and how you want to store it. The mounting system itself provides structure to the cabinet, and it's an open back and an open top, which is great because you can still have access to the mounting system inside the cabinetry if there's other customization that you want to do that you need a mounting system for to really secure something down inside of. We have really robust black latching knobs. Gives a meaning to button down all the hatches. Literally, you can look behind your van, you can see if there's any of these latches that are open, and if they are, you know that your van's not yet secure. Now over the bed, we have a couple more cabinets, and we also have a mid-shelf that we've used. Perfect opportunity for soft storage, folding up robes or towels, bedding. You'll notice one more thing too. This upper cabinetry is a perfect opportunity to install under cabinetry lighting. What I like most about the under cabinetry lighting, particularly that we install, it's a great color profile, about 3500K. It's a good task light, but it's also an even better evening light to just have a softer ambient environment. Another thing that's beneficial with our mid-shelf is that you can easily cut it down to any width that you need. Super easy. So you can really fine-tune exactly where you want your cabinetry to lay, exactly how wide you want it, and it's still just incredibly modular. Now, we can remove this cabinetry super fast. Since it's installed onto our smooth rail mounting system, we don't even have to remove it if we just want to move it an inch. With the smooth rail mounting system and these quarter turn fasteners, then you loosen up the cabinetry, you slide it as opposed to fully removing it, and then you tighten it back up. We Loctite everything and provide that Loctite in our DIY kits so that it isn't susceptible to becoming loose during driving conditions under vibration. So that's a big down low on our upper cabinetry. Check us out at roostvans.com. It's a DIY shippable product. Mounts super fast into our smooth rail mounting system with a lot of flexibility and a lot of robustness too. Check us out.